I experienced Mega-Lite at Happy Valley Shanghai in the worst possible circumstances. There was a long line, it was on a public holiday, and I was also jet-lagged. Basically, I was in a bad mood. But despite all that, I still think Mega-Lite is a very exciting ride, though it still has room for improvement, in my opinion. In this review, I want to tell you what you can expect from this highly regarded design by Intamin. Essentially, Mega-Lites are a scaled-down version of Intamin's iconic Mega Coaster model. It may have modest stats, but it packs the same intensity as rides like Expedition G-Force. It also uses the same cable lift system to quickly climb up the 32-meter lift hill. The flip side of this system is that small coasters cannot have very snappy drops. That's why I found the airtime on the first drop to be underwhelming. The turnaround at the bottom made me grey out every single time. It leads to a large twisted hill with only soft airtime though. To compensate, there is a solid, sustained ejector hill afterwards. But my favorite part of Mega-Lite by far are the S-hills. Those back-to-back-to-back twisted hills deliver a wicked mix of aggressive ejector humps and snappy transitions. The 3 bunny hops have fun ejector too, though it's not as extreme as I expected and it wouldn't compare as well to Expedition G-Force Finale, for example. My main criticism is that Mega-Lite could have used more varied elements. It could use a stangle dive or outward bank turns, for example. Now don't get me wrong, I'm being very nitpicky here, but I feel Intamin designed Mega-Lite with a cookie-cutter approach. In a way, this ride only used repeated patterns of basic elements. Those are super exciting and the pacing is fantastic, but it makes the coaster a little predictable. That's why I prefer newer rides such as the smaller RCs or my favorite, L'air Coaster. Those coasters with roughly the same stats provide a more complete experience in my opinion because of the outward bank laterals and the inversions. Poor operations also prevent me from giving Mega-Lite a 10 out of 10. Even on a public holiday, the ride was only running one train. Some dispatches even lasted 10 minutes. At times I saw the ride-ups were often faffing around and busy doing microphone announcements instead of checking restraints. It's very frustrating, especially considering the queue is just a cattle grid with little view on the coaster itself. It really spilled my mood. In my opinion, L'air Coaster or RMCs like Twisted Timbers push the envelope further than Happy Valley's Mega-Lite, which, to be fair, opened years before in 2009. But the Mega-Lites were the first to prove you can have thrills with a tiny height. They provide excellent, consistent ejector airtime, but for me, more recent attractions deliver more satisfying experiences overall. Those are the reasons why I give Mega-Lite a 9 out of 10. I like Alpina Blitz, but I believe Mega-Lite at Happy Valley Shanghai is the more aggressive and fun coaster.